So in the morning, I generally don't wash my face with a cleanser or a face wash. I simply wash it with water. So my skincare routine is very simple in the morning. I had severe acne from 2019 till 2022. I had severe acne. Now, touch wood, I do not have a lot of acne. Sometimes I get one or two here and there on my face, but otherwise it's still better than what it used to be. Currently, I've kept my routine very simple. The more you apply, the more products you apply, your skin kind of starts reacting to it, and I'm okay. I'm fine with the current routine. It's just simple. There are like 3 products that I use, out of which one is a lip balm. So it's a very simple routine that I follow right now, and it's fine for me. My skin is fine with that routine. So the first thing I apply is my eye cream. I generally apply it during my nighttime routine, but sometimes I apply it in the morning also because it can be applied anytime. So what I do, I just put some on my finger, the ring finger. Not a lot, because I'll be applying at night also, so I do not apply it a lot. And I think this is one of the so I'll just show you. So I think this is one of the cheapest routine but with good ingredients. So the one which I'm using, the eye cream that I'm using is from CeraVe. It's eye repair cream. They have different eye creams, so this is the one I'm using currently. Helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, leaving you with brighter, smoother and healthier looking eye area. Now I'm not sure if it has actually improved it. I have been using it for around a month now, and it can be applied at AM and PM. They have specifically mentioned it, and they have asked, like they have mentioned, to apply it twice. Sometimes I do not apply it in the morning. I'll simply take I just rub the cream between the ring fingers and then dab it all over. So generally, if you watch YouTube videos, they would ask you to just apply it lightly. So I really do not have that much patience. So itna kafi hai. Now the moisturizers that I have is from CeraVe only. So one is for PM, night time, and one is for AM. So this has SPF of around 30, SPF 30. I'm not sure if you can see it. So generally you should apply around 50 SPF, but I use this one because currently, first of all, it's monsoon here and it's not that sunny. And the second thing is that I generally stay indoors. I do not go outdoors a lot, so I think 30 is fine for me. But if you find something with 50 SPF, that's good enough. I have a very peculiar skin, so it's a combination skin type that I have. But then mostly this area stays dry. If I wash my face, the whole face suddenly becomes very dry. If I apply a little bit of cream, the whole face becomes very oily. So this one will look shiny once you apply it, but it won't lead to breakouts or it won't feel sticky. Because the tendency of my face is to turn oily the moment I apply cream, तो थोड़ा oily हो जाएगा, लगेगा कि oily है, but it won't be as much as with the other creams. Now apart from this, जो मैंने creams use किए हैं, बहुत सारे creams use किए मैंने for my skin, जो मुझे ठीक लगे हैं अभी तक. जैसे Neutrogena का gel moisturizer है जो blue color के डब्बे में आता है. फिर एक Clinique का 72 hour surge moisture surge करके है. वो भी अच्छा था, but the Neutrogena one is not that costly, but जो Clinique वाला था वो it was fairly costly. Now I do not remember the price of each of these, so I'll just let you know. Let me just apply the cream first. So one pump is enough for my full face. I'll take one more pump. So generally get this much with one pump, and I'll apply it all over my neck. So that's enough. It's not that sticky. After a while you won't even feel it. And I used to apply retinol cream at night, like long back. It has been around 2-3 months since I've stopped using retinol cream completely. If you want, you can use it at night time, but after talking to a dermatologist, only if you need it. This is a very strong cream, and there is a procedure to apply such a cream. So do not apply this until unless you have spoken to a dermatologist. I'm showing this to you because I have stopped using retinol now. Now this is good for your skin. आपके wrinkles वगैरह slow down हो जाते हैं, but I'm kind of avoiding this. I'll be going to my dermatologist maybe this month or next month, और तब मैं उनसे पूछूंगी how to apply retinol in order to like on a regular basis. So for example, this was because of my pimples. Now I do not want to, like, I do not have pimples currently, but मुझे wrinkles वगैरह के लिए चाहिए to keep my skin, you know, appear healthy all the time. So वो मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. This is 0.05%. इससे कम वाला भी एक आता है, मे बी उससे भी कम वाला आता है, मे बी she will suggest that one for now. So don't use retinol until you have spoken to a dermatologist. Next thing, this is like my favorite lip balm till now. This is 600 rupees for this much, and उसमें भी if you see it under the light, तो इतना पोर्शन है जिसमें टब है, इतना सा पोर्शन है जिसमें टब है, और नीचे पूरा खाली है, ब्लैंक है, तो बहुत कम है वो सर्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर अंदर, कैन सी इट अंडर द लाइट कि बहुत कम क्रीम है इसमें, बट इसमें बहुत कम हम यूज करते हैं. आई थिंक मुझे 5 months तो हो ही गए, आई यूज जस्ट दिस मच, लाइक इट्स आई थिंक इट विल गो फॉर अराउंड 2 years, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट बहुत सारा है. इसमें दूसरे फ्लेवर्स भी आते हैं. दिस इज बेरी, लिटिल बिट इज इनफ, so this much is enough. And it's really good. I mean, मैंने even Burt's Bee का use किया lip balm, but even that one is not as good as this one. This is kind of a chapstick, not a stick, but it has that sticky feeling to it. So it even keeps it moisturized, and the moisture also stays locked. So it's really nice. Now at night, what I do, so the routine remains same. I'll make one more video for the nighttime routine, but the routine is completely same. So I apply the eye cream, then I apply the PM moisturizer, this one, the same way on my face and then on my neck. I really like these two till now, and both are oil-free versions. So if you look at it here, it's mentioned as oil-free. I'm not sure it's coming on the camera or not. So I have taken this one. There is a version for natural skin also, and also dry skin. And lastly, what I do when I apply it on my lips, when I apply the lip balm on my lip, I use a little bit, like the same amount which is left on my fingertips. I just rub it up and I just dab it over my under eyes. Keep this routine simple. I used to apply a lot of things earlier, like niacinamide का serum, इसका serum, BHA, ये वो बहुत कुछ serum लगा के फिर मैं cream लगाती थी. Now I'm not saying कि उससे skin खराब हो रहा है, maybe उससे skin अच्छा हो रहा है, but मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैंने skin पे बहुत कुछ लगा लिया और मुझे चिपचिप फील होता था. और उसमें जनरली जब मैं सोने जाती हूँ तो on my bed I should feel as light as possible. Now this has helped me, with that. So if your doctor asks you to apply serums and everything, I'm sure most of the doctors won't ask you to apply anything. I think if you go to a doctor, to a dermatologist, they will suggest you a pretty simpler routine आपके skin condition के हिसाब से. So just follow what your dermatologist says. Now this is not told by my dermatologist, but because my acne is gone now, kind of, touch wood. So because my acne is gone now, not gone, like it's not as severe as it used to be, तो मैं अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही हूँ अपने स्किन के साथ फिर से, और मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट सूट किया है. मुझे अभी 1 महीना हो गया ये यूज करते हुए, एंड आई एम प्रीटी हैप्पी विद दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस वाज माय डे केयर रूटीन. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दो, और मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो शेयर करूँ. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.